Honorable members, I have received notices under Rule 267. The notice of Sri Sanjay Singh demands discussion over alleged lapse of Election Commission in issuance of multiple duplicate elector photo identity cards across the country. Shri, एक second. Yes, sir.
Given a short duration discussion, sir, you can allow in that because already we have raised 0 hour.
Yes.
Kindly give a permission for a short duration discussion. We will be very pleased. Please, sir.
You were reading, sorry.
The notice of Sri Samik Bhattacharya demands discussion on non-implementation of Pradhan Mantri Janjati Adivasi Nyay Maha Abhiyan in West Bengal. One communication received not in accordance with rules is not being considered. Honorable members are fully aware of the contours and elements that are required for consideration of these notices. Having carefully gone through that and taking note of detailed ruling imparted earlier, in spite of best intentions at my level, I have not been able to persuade myself to accord acceptance, as these issues can be easily, effectively, and impactfully raised during the listed business during the course of the session. Yes, Derek O'Brien.
Sir, I'm on Rule 29 with a request to you, sir. In the period you were unwell, we're happy to see you back, that there was a broad consensus even at a BAC that a short duration discussion across would be one of the subjects, as my colleague had said, and one of the subjects was the epic duplication of voter cards. Sir, nobody here wants to...
Also delimitation.
And I will say, Bhaiya, let me finish speaking on the duplication of epic cards and the election commission. Sir, it is not anyone's intention.
One is on epic, sir, and another is on delimitation.
No.
Sir, it is not anyone's intention to disrupt this House, even when the Minister is passing a railway budget during a discussion. So we want the House to run. Members have very important issues to raise in 0 hour, sir. Kind consideration, short duration discussion on this issue, sir. Thank you.
Honorable members. Yes. Honorable members. Honorable members. Honorable members, it is very soothing, because if the House is in order, the productivity goes up, expectations of the people are fulfilled, and deliberations in accordance with rules go a long way in helping the government also and making people aware of the ground reality. I will confer with leaders of the parties and come back to the House at the earliest. Matters raised with permission.